Hi guys, welcome back to the Essex Rotary channel. This one's just going to be a quick update because we haven't been around for a few weeks. Yeah, sorry about that. I know we've sort of got back to some frequent scheduling on the channel, but yeah, the last few weeks have been a bit crazy. Just wanted to drop a quick update for those that have been waiting for a video. Unfortunately, the few videos that we had planned have either been scrapped because they were terrible, or various other reasons. On top of that, we've been pretty busy. We've had some restocks turn up, so we've been busy processing and getting those packed to go out. One of them being our underdrive pulley kits for the RX-8 and the RX-7. The pulley kits, we've got one release. We've now released one in a midnight purple, which is a pretty nice colour. I'll probably put a quick clip in the video right now. So, yeah, nice. Yeah, so the pulley kits, we're also trying to finalise the defrost mitts for the FD. Hopefully our anodizers will be open again soon as lockdown is easing, and we can get those done so everyone that's been waiting for them can then get one on their car. Some customer work we've been undertaking, fuel system on an FD, or fuel system upgrade on an FD, along with exhaust, various other bits and bobs, you know who you are. The work on our, actually you haven't seen that video yet, because we haven't edited it, but work on one of our Project RX-7s, that pretty bashed up front end, is continuing. So we've actually got a new style vlog style video which we're in the midst of editing to go up, which is one of the things which has delayed our regular stuff. And we're also finishing up some design and development on our FD under trays. We've got an FC under tray coming as well, along with a few other bits and bobs. So yeah, it was just, like I said, it was a quick video. No information in this one other than some bits and bobs upcoming, but it was a quick video just to say thanks for sticking around. We're sorry we haven't had a video up in the last few weeks. I know a lot of you quite enjoy the regular videos every week. Sometimes if the content that we're putting out is terrible, we won't put it out. So yeah, with that all said guys, thanks for sticking around. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button. Obviously a bit of a weird video this one, but yeah, also subscribe button to stay up to date with our content. We'll look forward to seeing you soon. We'll catch you in the next one.